We are currently at a strawberry farm in the US state, and in today's video, we will see how farmers here cultivate strawberries each year. Here's what's going on in the seedling preparation area of a strawberry farm. The best strawberry roots will be selected to be planted. While the seedling preparation, these workers will prepare the soil and raise the beds to be ready to welcome that are about to be brought here. The total area of strawberry cultivation in California is 2/3 of that is in the Santa Maria area. Preparation area, thousands of strawberry plants are ready to be planted in the fields. Mid-August is when strawberry planting takes place. Currently, in California, more than 10 different varieties of strawberries are produced. Each variety are also different. Whenever you go to California, you can buy strawberry around here. After the strawberry planting process is all the watering system. Strawberries are a crop that needs regular during the fruiting season. On average, each strawberry tree needs about 2 inches of strawberries grown in California take about 2 to 3 months to flower, and the time from flowering to 6 weeks. When the flowers appear, millions to pollinate. They are the hard workers of the company that provide pollination services for fruit trees. Strawberries are ripe. A new harvest is about to take place. Every year, about 55,000 workers flock to strawberry farms in California to work. The wages of these workers will be count boxes of strawberries they pick. On average, each person will earn about $15. According to statistics released in 2021, strawberry production in California is 1.91% of the total strawberry production of the country, $1 billion per year. Even when it rains, the strawberry harvest still takes place at this farm. These are the final jobs of the strawberry crop. These will be cleared up and a new crop will come in about 2 months. How do you feel about the process of cultivating and harvesting strawberries in this video? Comment section of the video. At the end of the video, we'll take a look at the strawberry harvest of strawberries in the United States.